Hello guys. So right now mag-unbox ako. Ito yung deck na nakita ko sa isang bookstore. Galing kami sa mall, no? Mura yung nakita kong deck nila dun. Although, konti lang yung yung mga decks na meron sila. So ito na nga at nabili na. Nabili namin to sa National Bookstore, by the way. Doon binili. So, hindi na surprise ako na meron pala silang mga decks doon. Kasi akala ko hindi sila nagtitinda ng mga decks doon. Okay, so, ito yung resibo. Dito yung resibo sa akin. Okay. Dito na yan. Okay na. So, ito, out of those decks na naka-display doon, ito yung tatlo lang yung gusto kong bilhin. Pero ang binili muna ay isa lang. Kasi parang medyo nagdadalawang isip ako dun sa isa eh. So, one is the Wild Wisdom Australia. Hindi ito bagong deck, guys. Ibig sabihin, hindi ito bagong release. Pero ibig sabihin, brand new kasi sealed yan. Ayan. May plastic yan. Okay? So, brand new. In a sense na bago siya, hindi pa siya nagamit. Pero hindi siya yung bagong release na deck. Ibig sabihin, hindi ko alam kung what year ito lumabas. So, yung isang gusto ko dun is the Sufi Oracle yata yun. Luma na yun, lumang release na yun. Hindi rin yung bagong release. Pero hindi ko alam, meron na something dun sa deck na yun na na-attract ako dun. Tsaka yung isa, yung Everyday Numerology. Pero overpriced kasi eh. Mataas yung presyo sa kanila kaya hindi ko kinuha. Ito yung mga bagsak presyo sa kanila. Ito at saka yung iba. Pero ito lang muna. Si Wild Wisdom. So, i-unbox natin. Ito, Wild Wisdom Australia. This is by Karen Roberts. Karen Roberts or Karen Roberts and Bonnie Hughes. Malaki siya. Itong deck na to ay ayan. Ang publisher nito si Blue Angel. Blue Angel Publishing. Karen Roberts or Karen and Bonnie Hughes yung niya, gumawa na itong deck na ito. So, basahin ko lang. Embrace the vibrance and wisdom of Australia's unique wildlife. These marvelous creatures from bush, sea, desert, and sky have empowering gifts and inspiration to share with you. Dive deep with kingfisher, speak out with cockatoo, tune into happiness with kuoka, hindi ko alam basahin yun, and discover the rich, ancient source of insight within you. So this is an animal deck. Animals communicate through a soul language that connects us all. Hear their whispers, feel their calls, and receive their timeless guidance. Within this oracle, 44 animal teachers offer specialized knowledge and perspectives to help you navigate with the environments, seasons, and cycles of your life. This delightfully illustrated set includes sacred geometry, mantras, and color and chakra associations to catalyze and bolster the magic and meaning of your new animal friends. Draw a card to awaken your wild and glorious potential today. So these are some of the thumbnails. No? Naka-feature siya dito sa likod ng box. So, buksan na natin ite. If it's from Blue Angel Publishing, this is quality cards, guys. Based on my experience. Meron na rin ako kasing Blue Angel decks. Di ko lang alam kung ilan. But this is one na kasama sa aking wishlist. Pero hindi ko siya binili. Kasi may mga decks akong inuna hanggang sa, alam mo yun, natabunan na. So, i-rip off muna natin yung plastic wrap. Mahilig akong tanggal niya. Ayun, yun pala. Ayun. Sa National Bookstore siya binili. Ayan pa yung tag niya. Yan yung price during the time na binili ko siya, ha. So, matte yung kanyang box. At embossed itong mga letterings dito sa box. Embossed, nakaumbok, nakausli. Ito embossed din, ito textured siya. Pero ito matte, sturdy box, 2-piece, may thumb hole cutouts. Ito siya sa sides. Ito itsura niya, wait lang. Hindi nagpo-focus yung aking. Sa bottom, ito. 44 cards and 108-page guidebook. Embossed itong mga to na glossy siya. Ito rin embossed, itong mga letterings dito sa likod na binasa ko, pati itong mga thumbnails dito, glossy embossed. So, buksan na natin siya. Amuyin ko. Amoy Australia, char. Amoy bagong deck, of course. Mahilig kasi akong amoy, mga bagong libro, bagong decks. Ewan ko, yun yung fetish ko. So, eto yung guidebook niya. Matte yung texture. Sarap ng feeling sa balat, sa kamay, pag hinawakan. So, meron siyang guidebook. Oh, basahin ko lang yung nakasulat dito. There is a soul language that connects us all on a subconscious level. We are one. And this language of souls is a divine gift that allows the animals to reveal their sacred wisdom to you. Nothing is a coincidence. Therefore, each card you choose comes to you for a reason, just as your energy and vibration both brought you to this deck. Oh. So, itong mga something na ito, it has brought me to this deck daw, char. Kasi matagal ko na rin akong dito. Gustong bilhin nito. And nakuha ko siya sa murang price kasi hindi naman na siya bagong release. Kaya, swerte ko doon. I believe pag tinignan mo to sa Amazon right now, nasa mga around, check ko lang magkano yung price niya nung tinignan ko. Nasa mga $25.95 ito sa Amazon right now. Pero nakuha ko lang siya ng murang-mura sa National Bookstore. Hindi to sponsored ha, binili ko to. So, ayan, meron tayo. Balik tayo sa guidebook. Oh, ito, ang copyright niya is 2022. 2022 siya na-release. So, meron siyang contents, introduction. Nabasa ko na yung konting intro doon sa likod ng box. Your animal guides. Your animals can offer you energetic guidance. An animal guide may be with you for a lifetime, in which case they'd be your guardian spirit. Others come and go as you need them. This, speaking guys, pumanaw na kasi yung panganay naming chihuahua. Kaya ayun, naalala ko tuloy siya. Bigla ako na-sad. Discovering and connecting to your animal guides is pretty straightforward. Often they are the animals you resonate and connect with most. Right now, nakukonect ako sa mga ibon. Actually, last year pa. Kakaroon ako ng parang meron akong fixation recently sa mga ibon, tsaka mga swan. Yan yung mga trip kong animals lately. Animals are sentient beings full of wisdom, magic, and healing. They each have distinctive gifts to share and will guide you on your earthly path. You can meet them in a dream or meditative state. Ayun pa, isa pa yun. Nananaginip ako ng mga animals. Usually dogs. Last year pa yun. Simula ako managinip ng mga dogs. You can meet them in a dream or meditative state for guidance when you need it the most. Answering these questions should give you an idea of your main animal guides. We are born with 9 animal guides, and each assists us through different stages of our lives. Others may share their wisdom at particular times. Sabi dito, your animal guide may not be physically present in your life. However, connecting to them will open you to their lessons and teachings. Animal guides can come from anywhere in the animal kingdom and include aquatic life, insects, and birds. Do you resonate with the particular animal? Yes, sa ibon. Sabi ko nga, recently ibon, dogs, swan. What animal sparks your interest when you see one in the wild? Ibon sa ngayon. Actually, fish. Meron din akong parang bumabalik na naman ako. Kasi dati ako nag-aalaga ng mga isda. Goldfish. Or basta iba-ibang isda na rin yung na-try kong alagaan. Are you scared of any animal? Sa ngayon, hindi. Takot lang ako sa ahas talaga. Ayoko rin ng mga crocodiles. Do you often see a particular animal? This could be in dreams. Yes, dogs. Nakakita ako ng dogs. Meditative states, art on television, or any other form. If you could describe yourself as an animal, what would you say? As an animal? Hindi ko alam kung anong animal aketch. Sa tingin ko ako isang pusa kung ako animal. Kasi mahirap ma-earn yung trust ko. Pero loyal ako. Once na na-earn mo na yung trust ko. Oo. Tsaka hindi rin ako parang ganun kasunod-sunuran. Compared mo kasi yung mga aso, sorry naman, dito negative pero yung mga pusa kasi kailangan mo i-earn sila talaga. Pero yung mga dogmatic yan, loyal agad sa'yo yan. Mga pusa hindi ganun. So para sa akin, ako ay isang pusa. If ever na ako ay isang animal, if I would describe myself, sabi dito sa book. Tsaka magaling akong bumalance, guys. Promise. Maraming beses na ako nadudulas. Pag palagi akong nagla-landing ng safe. Ewan ko, sinasalo lang ba ako ng guardian angel ko o may malapusan talaga akong reflexes, hindi ko alam. So, meron ditong How to Use Wild Wisdom Australia. Merong mga card spreads dito. 3 card spread, intuitive spread, 9 card totem spread. Ayan, ito na yung mga card meanings. Ito na, may picture dito dedicated. Sa isang card is merong dedicated na 2 pages. Yan. At merong thumbnail or picture in black and white. Nandoon yung pangalan ng card, nandoon yung keywords, at andito yung explanation or descriptions. Parang may invocation dito, ayan. Merong advice, may chakra, merong color blue. Wow! Hindi ko ina-expect na maganda pala yung mga laman ng book, no? Subcard. Kasi bibilin ko to para doon sa energy niya para doon sa artwork niya. Parang drawn ako sa animals last year, kaya gusto ko ng mga animal decks. Tsaka may mantra dito. May color, chakra, advice. So, yan yun. For the rest of the cards, nandito. Tapos, mga bandang dulo ng book is about the creators. About the creators, author, artist, intuitive messages. Karen Roberts was born in Adelaide, Australia, and is now based on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland. She is passionate about animals, spirit animals, mental health, spirituality, metaphysical phenomena, sacred geometry, holistic counseling, and of course, art in all forms. A self-taught artist, Karen has a bachelor degree in graphic design from the University of South Australia and a diploma in counseling from the Australian College of Applied Psychology. Karen has always been passionate about art and animals. She has a keen interest in mental health and spirituality. Her goal is to educate people about the wisdom of the animal kingdom and the profound connections we have with animals and Mother Earth, and bring insight, love, and healing through her art. Bonnie Hughes was born in Sydney, Australia. So pareho silang Australian born, and is now based on the Sunshine Coast, Queensland. From an early age, Bonnie was very intuitive and connected with nature, spirits, water, fairies, angels, animals, and souls on the other side. Her passion for mental health has seen her complete her postgraduate degree in counseling and psychotherapy from the University of Adelaide, a diploma in counseling through the Australian College of Applied Psychology, and numerous other certificates in mental health field. Bonnie has overcome many obstacles and is a true inspiration to those around her. She works as a psychotherapist and is passionate about helping others explore self-love, self-compassion, and importance of dealing with core issues. Karen and Bonnie's end goal is to make a difference, whether through counseling or psychotherapy or spirituality. These cards are the first step in making that happen. With love and gratitude, we hope you gain some insight, wisdom, and most importantly, self love and acceptance. Karen and Bon. So, yan yung guidebook. At dito na tayo sa cards. Malaki yung ano niya. Malaki yung box niya. At ang kasukat ng box ay yung guidebook. Nag-adjust yung cards char. So, kakalug-kalug si cards dito. So, syempre, kagaya ng mga bagong decks, meron itong paper belt. Ayan. Tanggalin natin yan. And itabi muna natin ite para ipakita ko kung gaano ka-cute yung mga animals dito sa deck na ito. So, ayan ang backing niya. Matte. Usually, yung mga cards ni Blue Angel Publishing, high quality. Sturdy. Makapal ang material na ginagamit sa mga cards. Sturdy siya. Matte, which is luxurious sa texture pag hinawakan. So, quality. Amoyin ko ulit. Wait. Amoy fresh. Amoy hay house na deck char. Kasi, pansin ko lang, sorry naman, observation ko lang yun. Yung mga hay house decks at saka Blue Angel, magkasing amoy sila. Hindi ko alam kung dahil ba yun galing sila pareho sa Australia. Char, hindi ko alam. So, hindi ko na susukatin ito. Pero this is oracle cards, kaya ito ay mas malaki kaysa sa mga traditional na tarot cards. Magkaibang bagay yun. Ano ko lang, na i-compare ko lang. So, ito. Nag-i-snap back naman siya. So, ayan yung backing niya. Napaka-cute. Very tropical. Very tropical. Nakaka-relax. Kaya gusto ko rin ng mga ganitong deck. So, kung di ako nagkakamali, ito ay merong 44 cards. Umpisa na natin yung ating flip through. I-zoom ko na lang. Ay, wait. Nagbago yung isip ko. Taas ko na lang. Black Cockatoo. So, may mga color codings to. Titignan ko na lang sa book later. About chakra at saka sa mga kulay niya. Oh, ito yung nasa cover. Oh, si Banded Bee. Cute. Siya yung nasa cover sa book tsaka sa guidebook. Siya yung model, char. Blue banded bee, master of miracles. Blue ringed octopus. Si blue ringed octopus ay boundaries. Brown snake. Sun magic. Siguro ang pinakapuna ko lang dito sa deck na to is hindi masyadong mabasa. Ito, yung mga sulat sa ibaba kasi kakaiba yung font style niya. Siguro kung mas naging simple lang, mas madaling basahin. Pero yun ay aking lang naman, comment. Butterfly, Grace, napakaganda. Cassowary. So, maganda rito, na-educate ka rin doon sa iba't ibang animals na meron sa Australia. Kagaya nito, hindi ko to alam eh. Cassowary. Ano to? Individuality. Sorry naman, malabo yung mata ko. Christmas beetle. Creative inspiration. Wow, ganda. Cockatiel. Listen. Crocodile. Tenderness. Dingo. Ano to? Inner journey. Parang si hermit. Wow, dragonfly. Ano to? Hindi ko mabasa. Evolve. Ito yung mga inuli namin nung bata kami. Merong 3 sizes ng dragonfly na hinuhuli namin nung maliliit kami. Meron yung parang karayom lang siya kanipis, meron yung standard size, tas meron yung parang giant. Medyo natatakot ako doon sa giant dati. Hinuli na namin yun nung bata kami, tas pinagre-wrestling namin. Echidna. Sorry kung mali ang aking pronunciation. Problem solver. Echidna ba yan? Echidna. Teka lang, di ko alam kung marami itong card na to. Isa lang. Maganda kasi hindi nag-i-stick sa isa't isa yung mga cards na hindi sila madikit. Emu, spiritual leader. Para silang ostrich, di ba? Flying fox, self-nurture. Ito mukhang bat sa paningin ko. Frilled neck lizard. Ito yung kinakatakutan ko ng bata ako. Nakikita ko sa mga encyclopedia. At ang keyword nito ay pride. Gala, expression. Ganda. Sana makakita kong ganyang ibon. Ganggang kakatu. Cute. Mountain spirit. Tsaka yung mga colors niya, alam mo yun, nakaka-happy. Kaya pag malungkot ka, gusto mong ma-inspire, tignan mo tong deck na to kasi yung mga kulay pa lang or gusto mong ma-relax kasi parang nga siya mga animals, nature, Guldian Finch, optimism. Sa kulay pa lang ka na, ma-energize ka na. Ayan, Greater Bilby, Dark Night of the Soul, Green Sea Turtle, Divine Tuning, Green Tree Frog, Express Your Truth, Humpback Whale, Record Keeper, Kangaroo, yan, yung classic na animal nila, Determination, Kingfisher, Dive Deep, Koala, Well-being, yan, famous na animal, Kookaburra, Laughter, Little Penguin, Self-Mastery, Magpie, Intelligence, Numbat, Listen to Nature, Pelican, Enjoy Life, Pink Robin, Mystical Power. So maraming birds. Platypus, Elusiveness, Possum, The Trickster, Pygmy Possum, Curiosity. Ganda ng kulay. Ganda ng energy. Kuka, Happiness. Rainbow Lorikeet. Love language. Redback spider. Survival. Sugar glider. Flow of life. Tasmanian devil. Ito, gusto ko itong makita eh. Fighter, ang kanyang keyword. Tony Frogmouth. Synchronicity. Tiger Quo. Spiritual awakening. Wedge-tailed eagle. Higher realms. Wombat. Inner child. Cute. Yellow-footed rock wallaby. Stability. So, yun na yung mga cards. Pick ako ng isang card para mabasa ko. Matry natin yung isang card. Basahin natin from the guidebook. So, pwede mo siyang mabala ng patayo. Kasi mas madali kaysa yung ganito malalaki. Although kung malaki yung kamay mo, obra naman, di ako basketball player. So, stick na lang ako dito sa patayo. Yan. Pwede mo naman siyang i-shuffle ng paganito. Diba? So, kuha tayo isang card para sa collective. Angels and guides, anong message nyo para sa akin at sa mga nanonood right now? Ang nahugot natin si Gala, yung cute na ibon, expression. So, titignan natin yan. Anong meaning yan? Ano nga, fascinated ako dito. Sakto yun yung binigay niya sa akin. Diba? Sino ba yun? Si Gala. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Gala. Struggle hanapin. Ito. Si Gala is about, basahin ko. Gala is about expression, fun, cheekiness, boldness, humor. Are you taking life too seriously daw? Gala has come to remind you to have fun. Oh, parang naka-resonate agad ako dun. So, ayan. Kung masyado ka raw serious lately, are you taking life too seriously? Gala has come to remind you to have fun, be a show-off with your friends, and aim to express yourself more freely. One of Australia's favorite birds. Gala is known for its cheeky antics and is quite a comedian. O minsan, komedyante rin ako. Gala encourages you to express your uniqueness and embrace all that you are. Even if it is in the comfort of your own company, creative expression through silly dancing or singing is a great way to have fun with your inner child. Gala asks you to be bold enough to express who you are, especially if doing so is outside your comfort zone. Sometimes we need to push to shake things up. You might just discover a new passion, hobby, or something that genuinely fills your soul. We can look a little silly when we try something for the first time. That's okay. Let go and have fun. Call of Gala energy to shake things up and have some fun for help expressing your creative self. To reconnect with your inner child. Ang advice, the bravest thing you can be is yourself. Ang ganda naman. Chakra. Sacral chakra. Svadhisthana. Hindi ko alam yun. Saan yung sacral? Sacral ba yan? Sacral chakra. At ang color ay orange. Ang mantra, laughter raises my vibration. It is safe to express myself. So, si Gala is something na tungkol sa pag-i-express ng iyong sarili, ng ating mga sarili. Whether ito ay talent natin, whether ito ay love language natin, whether ito ay feelings, emotions, etc. Basta, ito yung ito yung sinasabi na kailangan natin gawin right now is to express kung ano man itong gusto mong i-express or express mo mismo yung sarili mo. Yung uniqueness mo, ikaw, bilang ikaw. Okay, so yan yung ating unboxing, first impressions. Actually, para sa akin maganda, versatility-wise, puwede mo rin naman siyang magamit sa mga readings. Oo, in combination with tarot cards. Puwede mo rin siyang source ng parang meditation or affirmation, daily ano, daily inspiration mo, nahuhugot ka ng random cards, 'no, everyday. So 'yan, feeling ko worth it ito bilhin kung wala ka pang animal deck na oracle cards at kung mahilig ka sa animals at collector ka rin na kagaya ko. At kung wala ka pang Blue Angel na deck, char. Pero marami silang magagandang decks, hindi lang ito. So, yan lang. Don't forget to subscribe, patap yung bell icon, pa-leave ng like or comment. Babush!